Hi guys, welcome back to Gopi's Art Gallery, and today we are going to create a painting on this wood block. So as you can see, I have prepared the wood block with a little bit of white gesso, and I have let it in the air dry for about 2 days, and then I have started my work in here. So as for the backstory of this wood block, I was currently watching so many of the artists doing this wood block small paintings, and they look really amazing once it's all done with the varnish and the hanging. So I thought, why not I make myself one, and I have purchased this wood block from the vendor. I purchased my coasters and it was fairly cheap, and the wood is really great quality, and it was, I guess it was teak wood, and he says that this would not get any termite or any kind of insect, and it wouldn't damage. So as for the video, now I'm started to talking about the process. As you can see, the sketching is done, and now I'm creating the color. Here I am mixing the Prussian blue with a little bit of white to create the sky color. It was a little bit of hectic to draw in a wood because I have never done such a thing, and to be honest, this is my first time also using a palette knife to create mountains. I don't know guys how it turned out, so do let me know in the comment below if it's good or not. Let's enjoy the video. I have used sap green with a little bit of white and yellow to create the greeneries, the valleys, and I have used the viridian green or the deep green here because I have used acrylic color. Keeps forgetting that. As you saw, and you'll further see that I kept making mistakes, so I am redoing some parts that I didn't like, and I was really nervous that how would the painting turned out, and I keeps thinking like, oh my god, and nobody will like it, it's shit, it doesn't look good, self-doubting all the time. But to be honest, we really do have to keep faith in the process because it's all how you give time to your piece and how you do and trust yourself on the process. That's all. And now I'll do the flowers, and I'm making another huge mistake because I didn't like how it turned out, so I'll redo the whole portion, but at the end of the day it will turn out great. So let's keep watching. So guys, I have redo the flowers and thought that I should make the flowers more realistic or more like up close or bloomed flower. So I have started to make the flowers a little bit of big petals and with lots of orchid kind of colors, because it's a scenery of mountain, and mountain orchids are really colorful. They bloom really pretty and they smells really nice. So it was kind of a core memory unlocked. I have recently visited the Chandrashila and the Tungnath Mandir in Chopra, and while we are trekking down the valley, we have saw rhododendrons and lots of beautiful orchids here and there. So it was just kind of like that, a core memory unlocked. Yeah, and this piece really is amazing. The valley looks exactly like them. I really enjoyed making the piece, and to be honest, that's art is all about. You enjoy making it and you just forget and give all your memory to the art, to kept it inside for years and years, when maybe you're not even gonna be there, but your art will still be there. And it's just something that I really feel like really amazing, and it's just that's why I create art. That's why I love art, any kind of art. They are just a living fossil that people create. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you guys liked the video. Now it's the really end part of the painting. So if you guys really like the video, please do subscribe to my channel, give a like and comment down below, share with your friends and family, and of course you can purchase this piece at my Instagram shop. I have everything linked down in the description, so go check that out, and I'll meet you guys at my next video. Till then, bye bye.